Hello friends, today's video is all about once you have done your US CMA or you have cleared your US CMA, what are the jobs and what are the profiles that one can do after clearing the US CMA. Guys, there are many profiles that person can do after clearing his or her US CMA, but that depends on your personal choice. So let's take an example. I being a professional, I've got 12 plus years of experience, but I was already holding some experience before I started my US CMA journey. So I was in the field of R2R, which is journal ledger, preparing financials, doing reconciliations, doing variance analysis, preparing budgets and forecasts. So it is more together concluded under financial planning and analysis profile. Also, one can get into GL ledger load where one can close the month-end books for all the US or UK entities or foreign entities if you are based out of India. Companies that hire US CMA are big fours like EY, Deloitte, and there are some industries like Walt Disney, Pfizer, Capita, Accenture in that sense will require such qualifications who hold good, strong analytical skills, and a US CMA has got that. Trust me, this journey will train you in every aspects, be it accounting, be it auditing, be it internal control, be it compliance, be it costing, product costing, marginal costing, standard costing. So based on the topics that we have studied in US CMA, one can easily fit into those roles where these companies are really hiring for. There are many such outsourcing companies where you can try your luck. I am based out of Mumbai. I have named few of them in my previous slide where I was trying to explain that like big fours do hire for the global MNC culture. There are certain KPOs that hire. There are certain industry which have got the shared services center like Pfizer, like Capita, who has got the internal shared service center. They want some good resource who can, do a complete month-end accounting, prepare MIS reports for the upper management, do variance analysis. So there are many such companies who will hire a US CMA, and a US CMA is a globally recognized course that will really help you to gauge the jobs that you are looking for. So you let me know what are your thoughts about this profile. Do comment down below. And if you want to know how to apply, I'll explain that entire thing in my rest of the video. Guys, there are very good profile after you have cleared US CMA, but yes, you should have some knowledge about accounting, and that is a mandatory, which I'm sure after clearing US CMA you've got your fundamentals clear. Now let's talk about the profiles where you can try your luck, you can go for interviews. I'll not say how to crack interviews, that would be in my another video. So for that, all you need to do is subscribe, press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to channel is with you. So let's talk about the profiles. So profiles are many. See, the very first profile which I would be discussing is something which is related to financial planning and analysis. And yes, that is a subject in your CMA part 1. That is a very creamy profile that many companies, many shared services companies like Citi, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley hires. They need people who have got that analytical nature, someone who can understand the financials, deep dive into it, give their comment, do variance analysis, prepare budgets, prepare forecast, compare that with actuals, do a stakeholder review. And that is a very creamy profile that Citi, Big Fours, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley hires. Another profile is record to report. Record to report is all about closing your journal ledger books on monthly basis or on a timely basis. And there are many shared services center that really will help you to gauge this profile. If I have to name some few, Walt Disney is one, Pfizer is one, Adenza is one, NCR is one. See, I'm based out of Mumbai, so I can name few, but if you are based out of any location, you can try jobs which are related to shared services. And these companies will need some professionals who understand the financial and who can do month-end closing entries and preparing reports related to this. Someone with a good analysis of financials like balance sheet understanding, P&L analysis is also a good profile which comes under GL ledger closing. And there are many good Indian companies who have got their subsidiaries in US or UK will also hire. And if I have to name some few of them is Walt Disney, Star Group of India. There is one Capita, which is one of the good. Accenture is the one who looks into such areas and such profile. They are in constant need. Gemini is one. So these are some few companies which I feel that, they really look for US CMA and someone who has got good understanding and good analysis. So if you're a sound professional, got some years of experience and then you have cleared your US CMA, you can apply for a leadership role as well. But for that, you should hold a team management as well, experience as well. And if you are fresher, you can start with an analysis job. You can start as an executive job where, under some manager's guidance or some supervisor guidance, you can try to understand whatever you have learned in your US CMA journey will really help you to make it work. I mean, all we have learned is more of a bookish, but once you get into corporate world, I think that's how you'll understand the criticalities, the challenges, the month-end scenario, the closing scenario, the reporting scenario, the stakeholder discussions that you hold. So I think these things will really help you to be raw and just enjoy this journey, grow And I mean, whatever questions you have, do comment down below. And if you like this honest video of mine, do subscribe it, and I will come up with such videos. Till then, you take care, bye, and study well for those who have got their exams in Jan and Feb.